Hello, we are Terracoya. Introducing Sputter.
Restaurant prices have been increasing over the past few years.
Or maybe you are tired of cooking same recipes over and over.
Sputter has everything in one app.
It's like a Duolingo, but with cooking.
Cook like a game.
Gamification of cooking in this application allows users to have more motivation by giving them achievements or streak.
More diverse recipes.
In this app, users can select a country that they want to master its dishes and the recipes of their choice. Not just recipes, it teaches trivias about it for enhancing knowledge. This is perfect for people who want to try new recipes and people who cook for themselves.
This team's members are Riku Takayanagi, Ken Yamaya Brown, Sakura Hanaki, and Eikan Sano.